Hello, friend. I have brought a special product for you. Product name, Agency Handy Review. Product description. I have discussed the important points that come inside this product below. Use this agency management software to manage clients, teams, and payments. 81%, $74. Lifetime access. Refundable up to 60 days. Running an agency with a dozen random tools means you're definitely losing something important in the process. Good thing Agency Handy lets you manage everything in one place while maintaining your branding. Manage clients, teams, invoices, and payments all in one convenient platform. White label your platform with a custom domain, email, and branding. Alternative to Honeybook. Integrations, PayPal, Slack, Stripe. Best for freelancers, marketing agencies, web design agencies. Streamline agency operations with white label branding, project tracking, and invoicing on one platform. Showcase all your services. List available services and take orders directly from your clients in your own service catalog. Share a link to your service menu with details, reviews, pricing, and packages. Link to your payment gateways to get orders directly from your clients. Handle all your client projects. Manage client projects, tasks, and documents in one place and organize your workflow on Kanban boards. Break projects down into smaller tasks with assignees, due dates, labels, and more. See an overview of project progress using task statuses. Get feedback and approval from clients directly in the task modal. Send invoices and collect payments. Get an overview of all your invoicing and payments for one-time and recurring payments. Send custom invoices with payment upfront or broken up into multiple payments. Manage subscriptions to collect automated payments after each billing cycle. Choose where you get paid: PayPal, Stripe, Wise, or manual banking. Create a white label platform. White label your agency portal so it looks and feels like your brand at every client touchpoint. Customize workspace appearance, including fonts, colors, and logo. Set up your custom domain, sign-in portal, and emails to customize your workspace. Reviews. Mirko. Agency Handy, a detailed look at managing your agency all in one place. I like tools that bring everything together without making me jump between a half-dozen apps. Agency Handy is an all-in-one, white-label agency management platform that promises to replace separate client, project, task, invoicing, and payment tools with a single branded portal. I work with many teams, including those that run an agency, is specialized in SaaS marketing, and they all benefit from a unified workspace that keeps client communication, billing, and deliverables in one place. I use tools that help me keep client work, billing, and communication in one place, and Agency Handy fits that need. Day to day, I rely on it for client onboarding, task tracking, and sending invoices, and it keeps it all under my agency's brand so clients see a consistent experience. For busier moments like end-of-month billing or pitching a new retainer, the branded portal and integrated payments make the process smoother. If you want to cut down on juggling separate